Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show what are the best real estate CRM that you can use. So without further ado, let's start. The first one I prepared for you is Liondesk. Liondesk is well known with a good price, and what I really like about Liondesk, how simple it is, that it's not really complex, the reporting works well, and the one thing that I particularly like is that you can work with the Facebook ads to Facebook custom audience, Liondesk Facebook ad portal, so you don't really have to go directly to Facebook Manager. You can actually work with Liondesk. Now also what I like is that you can set up with videos, and then you can work with campaigns here, like new leads, prepared, and you're gonna see the campaigns here, and you can also work with automated emails that you can use. So Liondesk in this particular regard is perfect. I definitely recommend test the free trial if you like it. If you don't like it, the one disadvantage I personally see is not a great application on mobile. So that's the one disadvantage I see. But other than that, Liondesk is a top notch, and they have free pricing plans. They have Starter, Pro, and Elite. You're gonna see the Starter 2000 emails, transaction management, then you get a Pro version. You can build annual or monthly, video texting, bulk campaigns, etc. The next one I prepared for you is a Pipedrive. Pipedrive is a top notch that you can use. You can combine it with Zillow, you can combine it with Facebook, with everything. You can have chatbot here, the live chat, and Pipedrive is even more simpler comparing to Liondesk. In Pipedrive, you have leads, deals, mail, activities, contacts. I would definitely use a Pipedrive if you're looking for effective CRM that you can use. Not really complex, but effective. So let's say that you have a contact here. You can simply add a person. Voila, I've got it. You simply click on a person and you add activity, call, email, files. In Liondesk, when I'm going to test it out with contacts, look at this. Create a contact. You get plenty of stuff to fill. In Pipedrive, you just go here and you just fill it, right? So that's like extremely good, and I like it. Also, deals, really easy to understand. You can simply add a new deal. You add a contact person, organization, title, value, and you just choose the pipeline stage here, and you can really set it up as much as you want. You can combine it also with Zapier, so you can actually create zaps. So let's say that when you're gonna get a new contact, something will happen, you will send an email, right? So you just come here to mail, and I got connected like Gmail. I can simply compose to subject, voila, I'm well off. Then I get to see the insights here, and you see the really good reporting. You can move the dashboard as much as you want. So that's pretty good what you can do. And this is how Pipedrive works. So Pipedrive next to the Liondesk is another one that I recommend to test out and check it out. The third one I prepared for you is a Hubspot. Hubspot, you definitely heard about it. Hubspot got a huge advantage comparing to Pipedrive and also Liondesk, that it's completely for free. Pipedrive is a cheap too, but Hubspot is a free CRM, and what I really like that you can combine it as with the marketing, so with the email campaigns, landing pages, and also their app is okay-ish. Another thing that you can have tickets, like what are the questions from your contacts that you would have, and then you would have also deals, tasks, forecasts that you can use. But the free version is okay at start. So if you don't want to pay for CRM at start, let's say, okay, you don't have enough money, or you want to invest the money elsewhere, you come here to HubSpot, and the pricing of the starter version and also the professional is quite expensive. You can see it right here, the professional 740 euro. CRM and sales, starter is okay, 46 euro, but professional 460. If you're gonna use it on dollars, 50 and 500. So it's quite expensive. So this is something you need to keep in mind, that yeah, you're going to pay if you want to choose the pricing plan. So what I would do is that I would go definitely just with Liondesk or Pipedrive, but if you want to go free, I'll go with HubSpot, test it out, but definitely be wary about using the starter and professional version, that if you actually need a professional, you're going to pay a lot of money. Same with customer service, CMS, and marketing. Another advantage on Hubspot is that you can actually combine it with everything, right? That you can combine it with customer support and marketing. That you don't have only CRM as you have it in Pipedrive. And the last one I prepared for you is Agile CRM. And Agile CRM is damn good. Like, okay, you have the sales essentials here, inbox CRM, mobile CRM, lead scoring, appointing, scheduling, project management, lead prospector, that you can actually switch between marketing, sales, and service as a help desk, as a marketing, as sales. So if you want to have really good complexity, I recommend going with the Agile. And what I will like is that it's not that expensive comparing to HubSpot. So you see it right here that even the regular $30 a month landing page, email template, form builder, you get everything covered here with the service. So even in the sales, in the CRM, you get everything. And even like if you would go to the enterprise, you get call recording here, right? That's something that you can use. And you get also landing page, plugins and integrations, 50 and more. So the regular version for $30 is, in my opinion, much better comparing to HubSpot. Like damn better. And you can have everything here. So when you would come here to sales, you see the contacts, you can simply see the companies here. And you can add proposal, contact one, you can optimize it as much as you want, right? Activities. And what I really like is that people can also schedule appointment with you in Agile CRM. So that's something like, damn, right? So I definitely recommend using Agile CRM if you want to combine with marketing and service, and you're not going to make a mistake. So to summarize this whole video, go with a Liondesk if you want to go with the ads, with the Facebook ads. Also, you want to use it for real estate, you're not going to make a mistake, but their app is not that great. Pricing is all right. Pipedrive is a top notch, but just CRM, that's it. Pipedrive, I like the simplicity and is a way how you can use it. Then the next one is a HubSpot. HubSpot got huge advantages completely for free comparing to every single competition that I showed you right now. But keep in mind that HubSpot get quite expensive plans, mainly the professional enterprise. That's going to be not that cost effective and you're going to lose money on that. So that's why I recommend definitely check out Agile CRM. And for me, Agile CRM is one of the winners here. What you can actually do with it and how you can work in your real estate business. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. And I'm going to give you on the end some advice on how you can sell better. I was working in sales for a year and a half. I was like top 10 salesman in a whole country, but I was working in telecommunication and I did a little bit of real estate and it's quite similar. So first, you need to build, I know it will sound strange, you need to build your profile as a real estate agent. They need to see you as a professional. You can't have photos how you're drunk somewhere. You need to have the form of someone who is respectable in a society. Then I'm working in real estate, but you can be cocky. You can be egoistic. It needs to be like, it needs to come naturally from you. The next thing is that never talk that much. Many salespeople, also in my job, were talking all the time. Ask questions and be quiet. Literally just ask questions. Let them speak what they like, what they don't like. Let them see you as a friend, as someone who they can trust. And then it will be much easier to sell them something. Another thing is that you need to listen what they have problems with, where they live right now. So they don't want really to have balcony. They don't want to have, I don't know, listen to that. Okay. And then when you will be selling a property to them, as I mentioned, as you said to me, you don't like to have a balcony in a flat. You don't like to have sun shining to your blah, blah, blah. In here, you don't have it. And just create an idea of it, right? So this is really important. And these are like 3 tips that I gave you that I would use if I would be in real estate. I was working in telecommunications and I really think the sales job is as a sales job. You always have to sell something and Like I was in multiple sales jobs in the past, and every single one was similar but also different. You just have to adapt to the customer, to the client. So thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.